Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the deck down and clearing your workspace. Once done, remove micro SD and cables. You'll use a Torx T5 and a plastic pry tool. Ground yourself to avoid static. Remove the back panel screws methodically and lift the rear cover. Make sure to locate and unplug the battery connector right away to prevent shorting. This protects the board while you reach the small M. 2230 SSD and prepares you for the fast, safe swap that follows. You'll remove the tiny retaining screw and slide the M.2230 module out carefully, holding it by the edges. Once removed, compare pin orientation with your replacement and insert the new SSD at the same shallow angle, then press it down onto the standoff and fasten the screw, tight but not over-torqued. Make sure the module sits flush and the connector is fully engaged. If you encounter resistance, back out and realign. After that, double-check the screw, the standoff placement, and the battery plug is still disconnected. You reconnect the battery, replace the back cover, and fasten screws in the original pattern. Once done, power up the deck. You should go into settings to confirm the drive shows up, or use a bootable USB image to reinstall SteamOS or restore a clone if this was your system drive. If the new SSD isn't recognized, power down, reseat the module, verify the retaining screw and standoff, and confirm the drive is a 2230 and NVMe compatible with Steam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.